ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखिया बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 661. The context is that Dadyang Atharvana Rishi, he gave the teaching Brahma Vidya known as Madhu Brahmana, Madhu Vidya, to two Ashwini Kumaras. And as part of that, because he was instructed that if you give this knowledge to anyone, your head will be cut off. So Ashwini Kumaras had cut his head first, kept it aside, put a horse's head, on his body, and they said, now you teach. When he started teaching, Indra came, destroyed his head. So then they put the original head back and the Brahma Vidya was imparted. This Brahma Vidya is about Paramatma, the truth. What is that? See the Bhashya, first line on that page. Na enena anena kinchana kinchidapi anavrutam anachaditam. By this Paramatma, nothing is not covered. Nothing is not covered means everything is covered by it. This is the truth that was imparted. So everything, like how it is given in Ishavasya, Ishavasyam idam sarvam. All this is pervaded by Paramatma, Ishvara. तथा न एनेन किंचन असंवृतम अनंतरम अनंतर न अनुप्रवेशितम किंचन असंवृतम अंतर ननु प्रवेशितम बाह्यभूतेन अंतर्भूतेन च न अनावृतम. It should be न अनुप्रवेशितम, नानुप्रवेशितम, दीर्घ. There is nothing by which Paramatma has not entered in it. Means Paramatma has entered in everything. There is nothing by which Paramatma has not pervaded it. Means Paramatma has pervaded everything. So now there are two ways of looking at it. If you look at this spot, when we say Paramatma has entered, so in our idea, something which is inside it, so there is a container and there is contained. So we get this concept of duality. And when it is said Paramatma pervades everything, so then that what is pervading is nothing but this container also and the content also. So then there is no duality. So the kind of statements which are used, that if at all in our buddhi, in our intellect, we have this notion that there are two, Paramatma and world. Paramatma pervades the world, if we think like this. So then what is said, world is not different. Paramatma himself or itself appears as the world. in Tika, Vakyadvayasya, first line on that page, Vakyadvayasya ekarthatvam आशंक्य सर्वं जगत ओतप्रोतत्वेन आत्मव्याप्तम इत्यर्थ विशेषम आश्रित्य आह. वाक्यद्वयस्य, these two statements, that there is nothing which is not pervaded by Paramatma, there is nothing which is not entered by Paramatma. These two sentences, Vakyadvayasya ekarthatvam, that they have one meaning, ekarthatvam ashankya, sarvam jagat otaprotatvena. So Paramatma is there, which is nothing but pervading. How? Otaprotatvena, atma vyaptam. Atmana vyaptam. Samasa vigraha will be atmana vyaptam. By atma it is pervaded. Iti artha vishesham ashritya aha. Bahya bhutena antarbhutena cha. From externally also Paramatma pervades, internally also Paramatma pervades everything. In Bhashya, or in Tika, Purnatve sati atmanah divyo hyamurtaha ityadi shrutim ashritya phalitam aha. Purnatve sati atmanah. What is the mantra? Online? Aprano? Yaksharat paratapar. Online, anybody?
दिव्यो ह्यमूतः पुरुषः सपाह्याभ्यन्तरो ह्यचः अप्राणो ह्यमनः शुक्लः इति एतत्
Yaksharat paratapar.
Rata. Yes.
Divyo hi amurta purusha. So there, what is said, that this purusha means chaitanya, consciousness, from inside and outside pervades everything. That is what is given here. See in Bhashya. Evancha, evam sa, eva nama rupatmana antarbahir bhavena karya karana rupena vyavastitaha. Saha eva means that Paramatma alone, nama rupatmana antarbahir bhavena karya karana rupena vyavastita. In the form of all the varieties with different names, it is pervading it within and without, inside and outside. Antar bahir bhavena karya karana rupena. Narayana Suktam says, Antar bahishya tat sarvam
व्याप्य नारायण तिष्ठति.
Vyapya Narayana Sthitaha. So Narayana alone is everywhere. This wisdom should come to us when we have anger, when we have frustration, when we are sad, when we have any negativity. That is when this wisdom should come. If this wisdom is there in our books, in our notes, and when I need it, it is not available, and then when I am not doing anything else, then I say, Paramatma pervades all, that wisdom is of no use. Wisdom should be handy for me when I am in crisis, mental crisis. So, this Paramatma is Karya Karana Rupena Vyavasthita. Karya means the physical body. Karana means the subtle body. So, all the individuals, Sthula Sukshma Rupa Sanghata, Karya Karana Rupena, this Paramatma alone is Vyavasthita. Tika, Mantra Brahmanayor Artha Vaimatyam Ashankya Aha. Somebody will doubt there is a difference in what is said by the mantra and what is said by the Brahmana bhag of the Veda. Mantra Brahmana yoho Artha Vaimatyam. Vimatasya bhavo vaimatyam. Vimatam means there is a difference in what mantra bhaga is saying and brahmana bhaga is saying. In Bhashya, पुरश्चक्र इत्यादि मंत्रः संक्षेपतः आत्मैकत्वम् आचष्टे इत्यर्थः. Because in the quotation, mantra bhaga said that Paramatma became two-legged individuals. So human beings, birds, etc., and some animals, and four-legged, all animals. Then that Paramatma alone entered them. So he became the Sthula Sharira, Sukshma Sharira, and he himself is Chidabhasa appearing in them. So there is no difference in what is said by the Brahmana Bhaga and the Mantra Bhaga. So there is no Vaimatyam. Atmaikatvam achaste. Atmaikatvam is what is given here. With this, 18th mantra is complete. Now the last mantra, Prachinam eva Brahmanam anudya mantrantaram avatarayati. Referring to the same three Brahmana that this Rishi taught this Vidya, that Dadyang Rishi is imparting Ashwini Kumar. So this another Rishi who sees this Madhu Vidya and he is the seer of this knowledge, he is imparting it. This part is the same thing is said in this mantra also. Prachinam eva Brahmanam anudya mantrantaram, but another mantra is given here, avatarayati. I will chant the mantra, you see. Idam vai tanmadu dadyang atharvano ashvibhyam vacha tadetad rishihi pashyanna vochat rupam rupam pratirupo babhuva tadasya rupam pratichakshanaaya indro mayavihi pururupa iyate yukta hyasya harayah shata dasheti ayam vai harayo ayam vai dashacha sahasrani bahuni cha anantani cha tadetad brahma apurvamanaparam anantaram bahyam ayamatma brahma sarvanubhurityanuशासनम. Very important mantra. Very beautiful portions are given, which are all quoted in so many places. First part is already we have seen. Idam vai tanmadu. This is the Madhu Vidya. What is this? This Dadyang Atharvana Rishi taught it to Ashvibhyam. There is a Rishi, one Rishi, he sees that this other Rishi is imparting to this Ashwini Kumara. So he is the seer of this teaching. Okay. So tad etad Rishihi Pashyan Avochat. This is one portion. Next is this Rupam Rupam Pratirupo Babhuva Tadasya Rupam Pratichakshanaya. This is like in Kathopanishad, Agnir Yathaiko.
रूपम रूपम प्रतिरूपो बभूव एकस्तथा सर्वभूतांतरात्मा रूपम रूपम प्रतिरूपो बभूव.
In the same way,
वायुर्यथैको
ending
ending
Pratirupo Bahishcha.
Bahishcha.
Ending is Bahishcha. But here slightly different mantra is there. Rupam Rupam Pratirupo Babhuva Tadasya Rupam Pratichakshana. Why did Paramatma become all this? Vipada, Chatushpada, etc. Why did Paramatma become all? So it is said, so that people recognize where all he is available. Tad asya rupam pratichakshanaya. for revealing himself through all these varieties. In other words, I can see that reality everywhere. If there are a lot of articles of clay, in all of them, I will be able to see clay. So like that, if this whole world has, Paramatma has become the whole world, in everything, I should be able to see Paramatma. So if somebody has a question, where will I see God? So you see everywhere. I am not able to see anywhere. You start from somewhere. You go to temple, you see there in the one form. At least you start there. Then gradually, this knowledge has to take place. Further in the mantra, Indro Maya Vihi Pururupa Iyate. Indra means Paramatma. Here Indra is not Indra. Brahma. Brahma with Maya. Maya Shakti. Maya Vihi. Maya, you can either take as Maya or with the power of intelligence. Here Maya should be taken as Prajna. Maya Vihi. Pururupa means Bahurupa, many forms. So that one Brahma with the Maya expression takes many forms. Pururupa Iyate. Iyate, what is the Rupa? Which Rupa is that?
प्रथम पुरुष एकवचनं लट्
Which Dhatu?
इङ्गतो धातु
Iyate. Which Lakara?
निजन्त
How Lat Lakar, Yakar will, how Yakar will come? Iti itaha yanti. The Karmani Prayoga. Yakar, whenever it is there, means you should understand Karmani Prayoga. Iyate. Mayabhihi. Mayabhihi is Bahuvachanam. Means how many Mayas are there? Mayabhihi is Bahuvachanam. So how will you explain Bahuvachanam?
आर्षप्रयोग
No, not Arsha Prayoga. Those who are in Advaita Siddhi class, they should know the answer. One Mula Vidya and many
तूला विद्या
Avarana Shaktis. One Mula Vidya, many Avarana Shakti, or you call Tula Vidya. So that way Bahuvachana Prayoga can be there. In the last class we saw this. Pururupa Iyate. Yukta hi asya harayaha. Harayaha means, Hari means horses here. Hari can mean so many things. One meaning is horses. So here you should take it as horses. Horses means sense organs. Because the sense organs in the chariot are the horses. Hayaha. So harayaha, shata, dasha, iti. Hundreds and 10. 100 means everybody's sense organs. And 10 means one individual's 5 plus 5, 10 organs in this. Ayam vai harayo, ayam vai dashacha sahasrani, bahuni cha anantani. Hundreds and thousands and infinite number of sense organs through which Paramatma expresses. Somebody seeing, somebody hearing, somebody talking, somebody walking. Same Paramatma expresses. Like how it is said in Kathopanishad, Yena Rupam Rasam Gandham Shabdan
स्पर्शांश्च मैथुनान् एतेनैव विजानाति यमत्र परिशिष्यते.
So this Paramatma alone by which everything becomes known. Tad etad Brahma. Now this later part is also very important. Tadetad Brahma, Apurvam, Anaparam, Anantaram, Abahyam, and Mahavakya is there. Ayam Atma Brahma. So Ayam Atma Brahma, Mahavakya, even though it is given in Mandukya, Atharvana Veda, but it is here also. Mahavakya is there. So wonderful. Today Mahavakya has come. Ayam Atma Brahma, Sarvanubhuhu, and it is the one which experiences everything. Sarva Anubhu. Iti Anushasanam. This is the teaching of Vedanta. So here teaching part is over actually. Let us see the words are here. Apurvam Anaparam. Apurvam means na purvam vidyate yasya iti apurvam. Anaparam na aparam vidyate yasya iti anaparam. So that which does not have anything prior to it, which means it doesn't have its cause. It is causeless. It doesn't have anything after it, means it doesn't have any effect. So it doesn't have any cause, it doesn't have any effect. Apurvam anaparam. Anantaram abahyam. Na antaram. Na antaram means different from it, there is nothing. Abahyam means outside of it, there is nothing. Bahyam na vidyate yasya iti abahyam. In this way, this Paramatma is one. There is no cause, there is no effect, there is nothing external to it, and there is nothing other than it. Means this is who I am. Finally, it says, this is you. Ayam Atma Brahma. This Atma is Brahma. Means in this way, I should understand this is who I am, and I am not this finite individual who is constantly feeling weeping, crying, troubled, problems, all this that I have. This is who I am. I'm going through this. This is not who you are. And if I have done all the other sadhanas, then this knowledge will be very clear for me. Otherwise, I have to keep doing Shravanam, but at the same time, I have to think in that direction more and more. How I am all. In Bhashya, Rupam Rupam Pratirupo Babhuva. Rupam Rupam Pratirupo Rupantaram Babhuva Ityarthaha. Babhuva Udhatu Lit Lakara. Then Uttama Purusha. Pratham Purusha. Ekvachana. Babhuva. What is the Adesha for lit? Parasmay Padanam.
Parasmay Padana Nalatusus Talatusus Nalvamaha.
Parasmay Padanam Analatu Susthalas Susanva Maha. Babhuva Shabda. Tika. Prati Shabda. Because in mantra says Rupam Rupam Prati Rupo Babhuva. What is Prati? Prati Shabdas? Prati Shabdas Tantrena Ucharitaha. Prati Shabda, what is it saying? Anekartha Tatparyana. Many varieties. Prati means each, but each means so many varieties. Next page. Rupam rupam upadi bhedam prati प्रतिरूपो रूपांतरम प्रतिबिंबम बभूव इति एतत् प्रतिरूपो बभूव इति अत्र विवक्षितम् इति योजना. How if one person is there and so many mirrors are there, then one person gets reflected in so many reflections in the mirrors. In the same way, Paramatma, the consciousness in different antakarana, upadhi bhedam prati, in each antakarana, upadhi bhedam prati, pratirupo, rupantaram, varieties of forms it started expressing. So you see, consciousness by itself doesn't have any attributes. But when it expresses in some upadhi, so let us say it expresses as human being. We are with one name, form, etc. The same consciousness expresses in monkey. Monkey is going to act and behave very differently. And that same monkey can be frightening for this person, even though both of them have same consciousness. A snake you take, and you are human being. Now that snake can be frightening for human, and they think we are frightened by these humans. They each other have fear for each other. But Paramatma is one. So upadhi bhedat swayameva vidyate. Chopadya pohe swayameva kevalaha. Viveka Chudamani. बभुव इति एतत् प्रतिरूपो बभुव इति अत्र विवक्षितम् इति योजना. अनुरूपो वा इति उक्तं विवृणोति. In Bhashya, you see, when it is said Pratirupa, means Pratirupo Anurupo Va. Yadrak Sansthanau Mata Pitarau Tad Samsthanas Tad Anurupa Eva Putro Jayate. Yadrak Sansthanau Mata Pitarau. Whatever is the form of the mother and father, the child also will have same form. Like if monkey father and monkey mother is there, then monkey baby will come. And if dogs are there, then dog will come. And human beings are there, human. And within human also there is so much variety we know. Jayate. What is the sutra? Nyajanor ja. Nahi tika. Uktamartham anubhava arudham karoti. Now, this he makes it for us to understand in every experience. Nahi chatushpado dvipad jayate. Dvipado va chatushpad. Dvipad is Panchami Vibhakti. From two-legged one, a four-legged one will not come. And from the four-legged one, two-legged one doesn't come. Nahi chatushpado dvipad jayate. Dvipado va chatushpad. Sa eva hi parameshwaro nama rupe vyapurvano rupam rupam pratirupo bhavuva. That same Parameshwara, saha eva. Saha eva means the one whose discussion has been going on from chapter 1. It's same Parameshwara. Namarupe Vyakurvano, because there it was said in 147. Tadhe tat tarhi avyakritam asit. That which was avyakrita, then idam nam, asau nama, idam rupam. With this name, this form, it became manifest. What was said there? Same Parameshwara, Nama Rupe Vyakurvano, Rupam Rupam Pratirupo Bhavuva. in different forms it alone expresses. If I see Paramatma as myself, then I will be able to see in all. This is easy. When I start seeing here, there, what happens is I will be selective. In these people I will see, in those people I will not see. Why? I have some problem with them. So that should not happen. That's why they say first you see yourself as this Paramatma, Brahma. Rupantar bhavane kartrantaram varayati. And in this, there is no other support needed. He himself becomes all by himself. So there is no other support. You say Maya bhi, you have said, we will tell about that. Further you see, Pratikhyapanaaya tika, Pratikhyapanaaya shastracharyadi bhedena, tattva prakashanaya. Why did he become all? Sometimes people have this. Why did God become all? The Pratikhyapanaaya, to let people know how great he is. Shastra Acharyadi Bhedena. Shastra and Acharya. So that Paramatma became Shastra also, he became Acharya also, he became Shishya also, he became Shiksha also. He became everything. Shastra Acharyadi Bhedena. Tattva Prakashanaya ityartha. Tadeva vyatirekena anvayena cha sputayati. That same thing through vyatireka anvaya. Anvaya vyatirekena sputayati. See Bhashya first. So if you remember in Dakshinamurti Stotram, there is a shloka where it says Dakshinamurti became all. What is the mantra? What is the
Vishwam
shloka?
pashyati. Vishwam pashyati karyakaranataya swaswami sambandhatah शिष्याचार्यतया तथैव विपुत्राद्यात्मन भेदतः.
So this you see, Shishya, Acharya, Shastra or Pita, Putra, that same Dakshinamurti becomes all. The same thing is given here also. Tattva Prakashanaya in Bhashya. Kimartham punaha pratirupagamanam tasya ityuchyate. Why it became all in all these forms and names? Tadasya atmano rupam pratichakshanaya pratikhyapanaaya. Atmanaha rupam pratikhyapanaaya, to make himself reveal. Means people will recognize him in so many ways. The only objective is so that I know I am that reality which appears as all. This is the only objective. Only purpose of life is this. There is no other purpose. You learn, you understand, become free. That's all. Through Anvaya Vyatireka he explains, Yadi hi nama rupe na vyakriyete tada asya atmano nirupadikam rupam prajnana dhanakhyam na pratikhyayata. If names and forms, if the manifestation in names and forms would not happen, na vyakriyete, see now here, Dvivachan is used. Nama rupe, then vyakriyate. Virakti, tivra mumukshutvam, so is there, then jayate. Mumukshutve jayate. Yadi hi nama rupe na vyakriyate, tada asya atmano nirupadikam. Then atma is nirupadika, prajnana ghana. How would anyone know? Nobody would know. Na pratikhyayata. Yada punaha karya karanatmana nama rupe vyakrite bhavatas tada asya rupam pratikhyayate. If On the other hand, when Paramatma becomes one, like, let's say there is clay somewhere, clay. But a child in the house doesn't know what is clay. But if there is some pot, something else, all made up of clay, so you can easily show. Here you see. Like that, if I want to know the manifestations of Paramatma, all these are Rupa. But by itself, it is Nirupadikam. Nirupadikam Prajnana Ghanakyam. With Upadhi, with Nama Rupa, it appears Sopadikam. Next part is Indro Mayabhi. See in Tika. Mayabhihi iti Prajnabhihi iti Parapaksham Uktva Swapaksham A. Mayabhihi means Prajnabhihi. This Mayabhihi, Prajnabhihi is given in Amar Kosha. In Mandukya Karika, 3rd chapter, 24th Karika. Neha naneti chamnayat Indro Maya Virityapi. Somebody who is working on Mandukya, 3rd chapter. Ajayamano Bahuda Maya Jayate. So in that Bhashya, Mayabhihi meaning is given Prajnabhihi. Or here is seen Bhashya. Indraha Parameshwara in Bhashya. Indraha means Parameshwara. Mayabhihi Prajnabhihi. Nama Rupa Krita Mithyabhimanaihi va. With the Nama Rupa Krita Mithyabhimana Abhimanairva. Natu Paramarthataha Puru Rupo Bahurupa Iyate. Paramarthataha not Bahurupa Iyate. Means in reality it has not become many. It appears to have become many. Like one person standing in front of mirror appears as many, or one sun or moon appears to be many. Natu Paramarthataha Pururupo Bahurupa Iyate Gamyate. Ekarupa eva. Paramatma is Ekarupa alone. Prajnana Ghanaha, sun, Avidya Prajnabhihi. But because of Avidya Prajna, means that Buddhi in which there is no wisdom of Brahma. Brahma Vidya is not there, then I see so many things. Like in my dream, one person appears as so many, and I think, oh, so many things I saw. When I wake up, then I realize there is only one. I alone am. Tika. Mithyadhi hetu bhutan hetu bhuta anadi anirvachya dandayamana ajnanavashat esha bahurupo bhati. Mithyadi hetu bhuta anadi anirvachya. This avidya which is anadi, beginningless, anirvachya means anirvachaniya. 15 number tippani you see. Lambayamana. So the Bhashya said Dandayamana. Tippani said Lambayamana. Means it's the same thing. Extended. What is being extended? Ignorance. Ignorance being extended. Ajnanavashat Mithyadhi hetu bhuta anadi anirvachya dandayamana ajnana. So this extensive ignorance which passes on from one person to another person, or in one life to next life to next life, until I realize ignorance continues. And therefore, Esha Bahurupa Bhati. In every life, I think so many people are there, so many things are happening. Prakara Bheda tu Bahu Ukti Riti. Because of Prakara Bheda, there is Bahu Ukti, Bahurupa. वाक्यार्थमाह, but really speaking, he is ekarupa. He is only of one swarupa, one nature. Avidya pragnabhir bahurupo gamyata iti purvena sammata. Because of avidya, which is otherwise known as prajna here, means ignorant thinking, he appears as many. Bahurupo gamyate iti purvena sammata. Parasya bahurupatve nimittam prashnapurvakam nivedayati. Now a question is raised, why Paramatma has become many? Again, this question is asked. Kasmat punaha karanat, why he is in so many forms? Yatha tika, yatha rathe yukta vajino rathinam swagocharam desham prapaitum pravartante तथा अस्य प्रतीचो रथस्थानीये शरीरे युक्ता हरयः स्वविषय प्रकाशनाय यस्मात् प्रवर्तन्ते तस्माद् इंद्रियाणां तद्विषयाणां च बहुलत्वात् तत्तद् रूपैः एष बहुरूपो भाति इति योजना. यथा रथे युक्ता वाजिनः, just as in the chariot the horses are yoked. Yatha rathe yukta vajinah. Rathinam swagocharam desham prapaitum pravartante. These horses, they take the rathi to his destination. Swagocharam desham prapaitum pravartante. Tatha asya praticho rathasthaniye sharire. So chariot is this body. This body is the chariot. In that, who is the master? The jiva. Atmanam rathinam vidhi. Shariram rathameva cha. Two. Then manaha pragraham eva cha. Correct. So that rathi is taken. तथा अस्य प्रतिचो रथस्थानीय शरीरे युक्ता हरयः. हरयः means these horses. स्व विषय प्रकाशनाय यस्मात् प्रवर्तन्ते तस्माद् इंद्रियाणां तद् विषयाणां च बहुलत्वात् तत्तद् रूपैः एष बहुरूपो भाति इति योजना. स्व विषय प्रकाश. These horses means the sense organs. What do? They reveal their vishaya. शब्द स्पर्श रूप रसगंध स्वविषय प्रकाशनाय यस्मात् प्रवर्तन्ते तस्मात् इंद्रियाणां तद विषयाणां च बहुलत्वात्. So many sense organs are there, so many objects are there, and they reveal all of them. तत्तद् रूपैः एष बहुरूपो भाति इति योजना. Up to this we keep here. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.